Hello family, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy E, the Dividend Passport Bro, back with another video. Guys, today is the 11th, I believe. Let me double check. Today is Friday. Oh my days, today is Friday the 11th. I've been so busy with work the past couple of days that I really haven't had a chance to pay a lot of attention to my portfolio, because the market's been crazy, okay? And of course, luckily for me, right, I still work. I don't know if that's luck or not, but I mean, it's still good to collect another check every single month, right? Apart from my regular income that I get from my portfolio. Now guys, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just a 52-year-old man that makes video about my portfolio and my portfolio alone, so do not take this as financial advice, okay guys? Now, I was planning on going to the Chelsea game, but I was like, you know what, I'm not going to jinx it, because I haven't been to none of the games since the tournament started. I've been in Colombia, so now that I'm back, I'm like, I can go to the game, but I don't want to go and jinx the game, so I'm going to watch the game from home, and hopefully the winning streak continues and they can win the tournament. Back to business, guys. Financial independence, retire early is key. I tell you guys every day, it's key, it's key, it's key. You don't want to be in your 70s calling your kids or begging other people to take care of you, right? You want to have a little bit of money to where you can go into a nursing home or whatever you got to do, old people home, to where you can be taken care of. You're not talking about working in your 70s. Guys, this is happening right now as I'm making this video. There's a lot of people out there going through hardships, and it don't even matter if you start at 50. If you start at 50 and you work until you're 65, right? That's 15 years. That's enough time for you to have 2 or 3 grand coming in every month, even if you're collecting Social Security. So you still should be good. But with that said, we're gonna get down to the video, because I don't want to make this video too long today. The video is gonna be short today, I promise. As you can see, Apple, Berkshire Hathaway, JP Morgan Chase, Broadcom, Lilly, Waste Management, Home Depot, Comcast, Netflix, Procter & Gamble, what else? A lot of other companies are in the red today, okay? But even, yeah, I did say Apple, right? But on the green side, we got Microsoft, Nvidia, Google, Tesla, Amazon, right? To name a few, are in the green. Now, a lot of people's portfolio are down today because, you know, investing in whatever you invest in, right? The Dow is down 200. It fell 250 points. What my thing is not loading up. The Dow fell 250 points. S&P 500 and NASDAQ also they retreated from their record high after our uncle Donald Trump gave his speech. Okay, so guys, this is the usual stuff. I talk about this every day, but it's good to invest. People always talk about saving. It's okay to have a savings. Don't get me wrong, it's okay to have a savings. But when you have income coming in every month, regular income coming every month, to where you're not working for that money, you know what? Saving is not necessary, I don't think, but it's good to have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses in a savings account. So I'm not going to push that narrative in a bad way. Okay, so right now we're going to look at some crypto, because the crypto market is ridiculous. Look at this stuff right here. Ethereum is at $3,000. Bitcoin $118,000. Okay, BNB is 693. It's up. Wow. Solano 164. What I missed today? What did I miss today? I must have missed something today, because crypto is really dinging. Oh my days. This is ridiculous, guys. I hope you guys have your crypto portfolio and invested in crypto. See, Bitcoin, $2.35 trillion, okay? Nvidia is worth $4 trillion. Bitcoin, $2.35 trillion. and then comparison in there. Okay, they've done volume in the last 24 hours, 80 billion with a B, guys. This is ridiculous. Okay, that's crazy. Oh my days! Look at the market cap for Shiba. It's out now to 8 billion. Okay, because the crypto is going crazy right now. I don't know what happened to crypto. I got to do some research when I get up this video, finish making this video, because something is going on right now in the market for crypto to be shooting like this to the moon. Okay. All right, guys. Let's get to the boring stuff. Now to the boring stuff. This is my portfolio. This is how much cash I have in there. I didn't buy nothing today. Hopefully back on Monday I can get back to spending some money and buying some stuff. Probably not. But we got more dividend coming into the portfolio over the tonight. So the portfolio should have a little bit more, a couple more dollars in there that we can invest, back into the portfolio. I'm making some moves, right? I'm making some moves right now to where I can add more money to my portfolio. I'm still waiting on the income, the other $2,000 so you guys are coming and waiting for. I'm still waiting for that money to show up so I can invest this into my portfolio. Now, there's a chance that I might put half of the money in here, half of the money in my car portfolio, because that's why, guys, I just got approved to give my I just got a loan, right? I only requested $50,000, and now the cars that I'm looking at, the truck I'm looking at is like $70,000. I'm gonna get a truck. Truck is $70,000. So I'm like, okay, I can wait a few more months and then apply for the loan again if I let this one expire. I'm thinking is what I might do that. Either that or I'm gonna end up getting a Tacoma. And I like the Tacoma, but I would hate to get the Tacoma and hate myself later for not getting my Raptor, because that's what I always wanted was a Raptor. Tacoma is the second, but I might do that. Okay, so my daughter, this is her portfolio for her student loan, paying her tuition off. So for the meantime, I can pull money out of my other portfolio until I get this portfolio back to where it needs to be. But everything is in work in progress, guys. Everything is work in progress. Okay. So to my other big boss portfolio, you can see, did I say that? No, I didn't. The portfolio is up today, right? It's showing a different format. I don't know why it's showing this, but I don't have time to be messing with it to get it back to where it needs to be. But the portfolio is up today. It's great. You see, we got $2,068 in the portfolio. Guys, this $2,068 is generating about $1,000 a year. We're trying to increase the income. I just got to get it to $12,000 a year. That should be enough to cover the tuition. And then whatever else my daughter needs, of course, she get a regular allowance. But that's not included into her tuition fund. Okay, so let's keep it moving. We are up today 1.34%, $169.41 in this portfolio. Now, like I said, I really didn't have a chance to sell anything because, of course, I'm waiting for this sucker to go up. Right, so I need to add more. I need to buy more positions to get this to go up, and then I can sell out of it. Because I'm trying to get rid of a lot of the lower yield positions, right? Because I want to get my risk level back to, especially in this portfolio. This is my car portfolio. Now that I'm trying to get a new car, that's an additional $1,000 a month, more or less, right? Depending on what I pay for the car. So I need to have $2,000 a month coming out of this portfolio. Within the next month or two. So I gotta throw a little bit more money in here to increase the investments so I can have a little bit of money coming to pay my card note. So of course I need to invest in more positions to have more income coming in. Now, you guys know this portfolio eventually, because I can do my regular buying, right? So eventually this portfolio will go to my cash management account, and I'll be making my car payments out of my cash management account. Eventually, I will have all of my bills going to my cash management account. And the great thing about my cash management account, I can invest right in the cash management account. So I don't need to get another checking account, all that stuff. I can invest right in the cash management account, and that's with Fidelity. Okay, so that's another great thing. So this is gonna go away, but it's probably gonna take some time before it go away. But of course, I gotta pay down, break down these negative stuff, right? To get out of these positions. But of course, these are some of my core high yield positions, so I'm not selling out of these. Just these two up here, I'm going to sell out of. Okay, and then the rest of them we're going to add more money to get more income coming into the portfolio. Like I said, I believe, you know, adding another $1,000 or even $2,000 into this portfolio would definitely help bring in a little bit of money, little bit more money. But we got to get this, we got to get it up to maybe $2,000, $24,000, or 30, 40, maybe another $25,000, $30,000 in here to be able to cover the cars payment and the insurance, because I want the money coming out of my portfolio, and then have maybe another $1,000+ every month to reinvest back into the portfolio. That's always key. Reinvesting, putting out a little cash to pay for stuff, and then reinvesting back into the portfolio to daily cost average. Plain and simple. Okay, guys. So let's get to the big boy. So as you can see, today is this week was the first week, if I can remember correctly, that my portfolio did not lose money. Every single day we generated some income, and that means in gains, right? Not dividend, but the portfolio went up every single day this week. Whether we made $200 or we made $700, let's see how much we made today, right? Whether we made $500, $600, $700 a day in gains, we did not lose money today. And that is important to me because I like my portfolio to be up, especially on the day that I've been very busy with work, haven't had a chance to really pay attention to my account, right? I don't think, I mean, I log into my big boy portfolio and I would check it every now and then. Oh, we actually did better than I thought, right? I thought it was just like a couple of $100. This thing is up freaking $1,000. This is ridiculous. I need to check this. Okay, so it's up. I thought it was like $700 or whatever before the market closed, and it's $1,000-something. So you can see, guys, we are doing good. The portfolio is getting back to where it was before the tariffs, and I had to run around and trying to balance my portfolio. I still need to push that and get my portfolio back to where it needs to be, but it's still doing good. Now, right now, the market go up and down because of what I'm receiving in dividends. The dividend income dropped from $35,000 this month back down to $32,000, right? Like I'll tell you guys, I'm expecting anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 plus this month. I don't know if we're going to do the $5,000 or plus, but we're going to see when I make the video tomorrow how much money we're going to generate into the portfolio. Okay, I'm going to try to end this real quick. And guys, the income, where we at? The income is, I don't know if this is actual stuff, right? Because I didn't update it, but the income right now is $556,195. This is estimated based on the income as it goes up and down, right? But it could be somewhere between $300,000 to $400,000 actual amount, but based on the estimates at $500,000, that is still crazy. We're still doing big things. We're still bringing money into the portfolio as I'm trying to build up my daughter portfolio and my car account, so I don't have to make car payments, right? Because the money I put in here, instead of me going and pay cash for the car, I put the money in here, and that money makes more money, pay for the car, pay for the next car, pay for the next car. Okay, so of course I'm not gonna I don't have a great interest rate like I did when I bought my Tesla, 0 point something percent. I think I'm getting like a 7% interest, almost 8% interest. But it's still better than getting a 12% interest, right? But like I said, I might not buy the car. I might wait till next year. I mean, because the car prices are still dropping, so I might wait till next year. Okay. Now we talked about this yesterday, so I'm not going to yap about this too much. We are still, all right. You see there? Now we're going to $5,000 in the next 5 years, so that's 5 million, not 5,000. So that's 1 million per year. So I mean, that's great. You know, that's a chance my portfolio might get to $1 million this year. There's a chance it might not. Now, if I get to $60,000 a month, definitely we don't get to $1 million in the portfolio, and that would be great because that means I'm closer to becoming a multi-millionaire. You know, so everything works in a mysterious way. $2 million a year in income in the next 5 years. That is ridiculous. But like I said, I'm not going to make this video too long, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. Remember to like and share the content. Also, remember to join our Discord if you haven't joined. And if you do join the Discord, post a comment in the Discord, and remember to comment on the video. Let me know what else I can do to improve the videos. I know you guys not complaining about the audio the past few days, so I guess the audio is okay. So now we need to work on other things that need to be improved. Until then, I do appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And tomorrow we're going to make our income portfolio video and see how much dinero we have coming in tomorrow. Until then, God bless you. I'll talk to you later. Deuces.